Hello students, in today's video of tuples, let us try to display the odd and even indexed values from the tuple using function. Let us define the function. Suppose there are two parameters, one is x, second is VAL. One empty tuple, suppose I declare one empty tuple for n in a range VAL, then length of the tuple, suppose jumping is of 2, then y is equal to y plus indexed value, then place comma, then return the value of y. Now develop one tuple suppose these are the tuple elements, then print, suppose I write here values at odd locations you can pass the value t and 0. Let us check the output and explaining of program. Value at odd locations 2, 1, 7, 11 and 19. 2, 1, 7, 11 and 19. These are the value at odd locations. Let us explain the program. Function is t and 0. First value x. What is the meaning of x basically? X is a tuple. And what about VAL? VAL basically is the starting point from where we have to start. Suppose the starting position is 0. Then I can display the odd elements if jumping is 2. If the starting position is, suppose I copy and paste the content here, value at, suppose I write even locations, that the starting point is 1, execute the program, then you can display the value at even locations. Look at the values 3, 5, 8 and 10. 3, 5, 8 and 10. These are the values at even location. Now, the first step is x is a tuple and second is value. Value is the starting point from where we have to start executing the content. This one is 0. Suppose in first case this value is 0 and length of x, suppose for explaining I am writing in first case 0, then length is, look at the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 values are there. And what about this value? It's 2. What is the meaning of this? 0, 2. It means the value at odd location can be printed out. Location first, then location third, then location 5th, 7th and 9th, like this. You can display the element like this. And what is the meaning of this? Y is empty tuple and we have to add all the items according to location. X0, it means I am picking the first value, that is 2. Then x3, I am picking the second value, that is 1. I display 1 here and separated by comma. Then return y. Basically I am printing the value of y from this for loop. Hope you understand the content of applying this criteria. You can display accordingly. Suppose I write here print, then function t, comma 2. You can display accordingly 1, 7, 11 and 19. What is the meaning of this? 1. This one. Now the starting point is location number 2. 0, 1 and 2. Now the jumping of 2 is there. If I write here 3, then what is the meaning of this? Jumping of 3 is there, 1, 8 and 19. 1, then jumping of 2 is there. Basically this location is 2. 2 plus 3. This location is 5. And this location is 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the locations. You can write here regarding location also. It's a 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These values are there. 0, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the values. Now what about T2? This one. First value is 1. Then by adding 3, 2 plus 3, 5, you can display 8. Then 5 plus 3, 8, you can display 19. If I place here 4, let us check the output again. It's 1 and 11, 4. 7 is there. Starting point is 2. It means 1 is there. Now we have to add 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 basically. Second location is there. 2 plus 4, 6. Then 11 is there. It means I can display 1 and 11. Let us repeat again. T is tuple. And what about 2? Starting location is 2. That is 1. Then I have to add 4. Location is 2. If I add 4, location is 6. It means I can display 11. Hope you understand the concept of displaying the function or odd and even indexed values or values at any location.